The concepts covered are: how are expressions formed? Terms of an expression like and unlike terms, monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials, addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, finding the value of an expression using algebraic expressions, formulas and rules. Variable and constant. A variable does not have a fixed value. It can be varied. Variable is represented by letters like letters x, y, z, etc. Example, 5x plus 3. In the above expression, the variable is x. A constant has a fixed value. Any number without a variable is a constant. Example, 2x plus 9. In the above expression, constant is 9. Algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression is the combination of constant and variables. We use the operations like addition, subtraction, etc. to form an algebraic expression. Terms. To form an expression, we use constant and variables and separate them using the operations like addition, subtraction, etc. These parts of expressions which we separate using operations are called terms. In the above expression, there are 3 terms, 4x, 3 years and 5. Factors of a term. Every term is the product of its factors. As in the above expression, the term 4x is the product of 4 and x. Here 4 and x are the factors of that term. We can understand it by using a tree diagram. Coefficients. As you can see in the below expression, some of the factors are numerical and some are algebraic, i.e. contains variable. The numerical factor of the term is called the numerical coefficient of the term. Parts of an expression. Here in the above figure, you can identify the terms, variables, constants and coefficients. Like and unlike terms. Terms having the same algebraic factors are called like terms. Terms having different algebraic factors are called unlike terms. Monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials. Monomial, any expression which has only one term. Example. Binomial, any expression which has 2 unlike terms. Example. Trinomial, any expression which has 3 unlike terms. Example. Polynomial, any expression which has 1 or more terms with a variable having non-negative integers as an exponent is a polynomial. Example. Note, all the expressions like monomial, binomial and trinomial are also a polynomial. Addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. 1. Addition of like terms. The sum of 2 like terms is a like term with a coefficient equal to the sum. Example, 2x plus 5x equals 2 times x, plus 5 times x, equals 2 plus 5 times x equals 7 times x equals 7x. 2. Subtraction of like terms. The difference of 2 like terms is a like term with a coefficient equal to the difference. Example, 11p minus 3p equals 11 minus 3, p equals 8p. 3. Addition of unlike terms. If we have to add the unlike terms, then we just have to put an addition sign between the terms. Example, adding we will simply write it as 9 plus 2x plus 3. 4. Subtraction of unlike terms. If we have to subtract the unlike terms, then we just have to put minus sign between the terms. Example, we will simply write it as 21 minus 9. 5. Addition of general algebraic expression. When we add 2 algebraic expressions, the like terms are added, the unlike terms are left as they are. Example, simplify the expression. Subtraction of general algebraic expression. When we subtract two algebraic expressions, the like terms are subtracted, the unlike terms are left. Example. Finding the value of an expression. 1. Expressions with one variable. If the value of the variable in the expression is known, then we can find the numerical value of the given expression. Example, find the value of the expression 2x plus 7 if x equals 4. We have to put the value of x equals 3. 2x plus 7 equals 2, 4 plus 7 equals 8 plus 7 equals 15. 2. Expressions with two or more variables. If the values of the variables in the expression are known, then we can find the numerical value of the given expression. Example, find the value of. Substitute the value y equals 2 and c equals 3. Formula and rules using algebraic expression. Perimeter formulas. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle equals 3 lengths, where L is the length of the side of the equilateral triangle. The perimeter of a square equals 4 lengths, where L is the length of the side of the square. The perimeter of a regular pentagon equals 5 lengths, where L equals the length of the side of the pentagon, and so on. Area formulas. Area of a square equals L2, where L is the side of the square. Area of a rectangle equals L times B, where L and B are respectively length and the breadth of the rectangle. Area of triangle equals B times H by 2, where B is the base of the triangle and H is the height of the triangle. Rules for number patterns. If a natural number is denoted by n, its successor is n plus 1. If a natural number is denoted by n, 2n is an even number and 2n plus 1 is an odd number. Pattern in geometry. The number of diagonals we can draw from one vertex of any polygon is n-3, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. How many diagonals can be drawn from the one vertex of a hexagon? The number of diagonals will be n-3. The number of sides in a hexagon is 8, so n-3 equals 8 minus 3 equals 5.